So we know the numbers now. Well, let's kind of, let's tweak with these a little bit. Let's kind of play with them. And we're going to talk about money management here in a very simplified way, nothing like the advanced example that I gave you in the money management video. So let's take a look at this. What happens if we increase our take to, say, 85 pips? Well, now you can see down here at 45 pips, we're actually breaking even. Okay, we're not going to lose anything, but we're also not going to make anything over time. What this means on a break-even type of system is that over time you are going to lose money because of the spread and slippage and other things, because the odds are stacked against you. But we can see that now we're making just a little bit more, aren't we? Remember, this at 50% was 7 cents. And here at 55 was 16, and this was a quarter. So things have moved up a little bit by taking 10 extra pips, or not 10 extra, I think it was 7 extra pips. So if we take just 7 more pips in profit, you can see that it improves our rate a little bit better. Well, let's look at this. Now, what if we don't just take a few extra pips? What if instead of taking off 7, we take off 6, and then we let 4 take a ride? Now you can see, well, okay, so if I'm right 45% of the time, now look at this. All of a sudden, I'm making money. Again, it's not a lot, but it's profitable. And if I'm winning half of the time, I'm making 14 cents. Again, that may not seem like a lot to you, but that's actually a fairly good system. And here at 55%, I can hope to make 22 cents in profit for every dollar. Again, what that means is if I put $1 in, then I'm getting $1.25 back out. Okay, or $1.22 back out. That is a very good system. Up here at 60%, you can see that profit then goes up to $1.31. Now again, this is taking off 6 slots at 25 pips in profit, and then taking off 4 lots once the profit gets to 85 pips. Okay, so we know the worst case scenario is if we won 40% of the time, we would lose money, but if we win 45% of the time, we're actually going to be making a little bit. Now let's play with the numbers a little bit more. Now you notice I did bump up the profit a little bit. Okay, I added 7 pips to that, and we'll talk about this in just a few moments. But for now, we're just talking about how we're taking profits. What are our exits? I think you'll find is the key here. So now we're doing 5 and 5. So the market moves 25 pips. We take off 5. We leave 5 on. Look at this. Now all of a sudden, even if we're winning just 40% of the time, the system's making a bit of money, isn't it? And if we go to 45%, or if we win 45% of the time, we're actually making 10 cents. If it's 50%, we're making 18, 55 is 26, 60 is 34 cents. Okay, so you kind of get in the picture here how by just factoring in a different exit rule, you can change your edge, can't you? Because remember, the key here is we would all wish that a system would be 70 or 75% or 80. I mean, heck, let's face it, we want a system that's 100% accurate. What we deep down really want is a system that's never wrong. We want to know when I get a signal, that's a guaranteed winner. That's what we want deep down. Let's all just take a moment and say out loud, that ain't going to happen. It's not going to happen. Okay, and even these numbers up here, 75, 80, these numbers are going to be far-fetched, meaning that for every 10 trades, you win exactly 7 and you lose exactly 3. Okay, that's what I mean. Now, you may have a system that over time